What's going on, everybody? It's your boy C-Zar, and we are talking about Zebec today, ZBCN. It is the 12th day of January. Here we are sitting at about $0.0028 with 6 hours, 45 minutes left in the day. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here, and let's get into it. Okay, here we are. Here we are at the base of an overall range that we've been in since May of 2025. Really the ass end of May there. We're at the base of this range. And I suspect, not financial advice, not a financial advisor, I suspect that this is a phenomenal opportunity to buy. This is a great time to buy. I mean, really throughout the past almost a year now, like the past 3/4 of a year, this area and below, like exactly where we are now, this has been the best time. These are the desirable points at which anybody who's been investing in ZBCN has gotten in, right? For the majority of the past 9 to 10 months, maybe 8 months. What would May? I don't know what that'd be. It's January, February, March, April, May. So 4 months, 8 months. The last 8 months of time, you've been smart buying at these areas, right? So what's stopping you? Maybe we go a little bit lower. Maybe it's possible. We go a little bit lower. I don't think that we go lower in these lows. I do think that we've found our lows. We're just waiting to validate that now with any type of movement above this level here. And I do think we're going to get that very soon. I want to look at the short-term stuff, and then I want to zoom out and go from there. So hit that like button one more time, and let's get going. Actually, don't. If you hit it once, don't hit it twice. You'll have to hit it a third time to leave a like. Just hit it once or 3 times. Make it an odd number. Don't make it an even number because it'll unlike. Anyways, 0028 for looking at the 1 hour time frame here. The RSI is in a bit of a downtrend, right? We've got lower lows and lower highs. You've kind of broken out of that trend here a little bit, right? But you still have lower highs here. You could come down more. It's not a problem if you do. The 1 hour RSI at the moment doesn't give me any bullish vibes. Nor do the stochastics, nor does the MACD. No, the MACD has some bullish divergence, but you've made that move up already. You can come back down. When I say that you could come back down, that you could go lower from where you are now, I am not talking about a move like this. Maybe, probably not. More of like, something like this. Like nothing too crazy at all. 4 hour time frame here, looking at the RSI. We do have lower lows in the RSI. We have higher lows in the price. It's hidden bullish divergence. That's a good thing. Stochastics have reset. We're back down at the oversold zone. Looking bearish here, I'm not going to lie, but there are some bullish prospects. The orange and the blue are getting out of the oversold zone with this 4 hour close here, so that's nice. The MACD is back down at the 0. Perfect area to reset and bounce from here. Higher lows in the histogram, higher lows in the price. I mean, nothing really to go off of other than, to me, I think things are in a bullish posturing. We're just waiting for that move to happen. We're waiting for the fuse to ignite. Pull down to the golden ratio. Had some front running there. Very massive move, very nice move. Now we're back to the 382. We are looking for support in this zone. So, again, if the 1 hour implies that we go down at all, the RSI is a little bit bearish there. If the 4 hour stochastics, they're a little bit bearish here. If any kind of downside is implied at all, I don't expect it to be dramatic at all. I don't think we move too much lower. I think we're right in our zone, right here, somewhere between 00273 and 00285. That's where our low is. Maybe it's already here, and we're soon to move up. Any day now. Any day now is what I'm getting. Any day now. I mean, we're right at the 0, perfect area to bounce from. Stochastics are reset. It could be by the end of today. We've got 7 hours left in the day. It could be by the end of the next 2 days, 3 days. It could be sometime next week, but very, very soon. Any day now, we are going to be moving up. And when we move up, when we do get above this zone that we've turned a downward sloping trend, lower lows, lower highs, into a kind of sideways sloping horizontal channel here, whenever we do break out of this zone to the upside, I would expect that we see a retracement of this move from a high to a low. We probably see a move just like that takes us up to the golden ratio, somewhere around 004 to 0044. If we don't stop there, we will go higher. I wouldn't be surprised in the least if the immediate move was to go here. We consolidate back, test for support, and then we continue to rally, but time will tell. If we don't stop at 004 to 0044, then 0048 to 006 is a possibility. The daily RSI is neutral overall. You're in a bullish posturing, but neutral overall. Not getting oversold, really, not getting overbought at all, right? Recently, I would expect that if we find support here, The next attempt up will get us into the overbought zone, and in moments like this, whenever you're about to get overbought, that typically lines up with the break of a range. So when we break out, we should be getting overbought. It'll go hand in hand. Stochastics look bullishly charged. The MACD is crossed above the zero. I really do believe that we're about to see some significant movement over the coming days. It could be tomorrow when we're at 004. I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised. If it's sometime next week, I wouldn't be surprised either. Either way, it's happening. We're at our low points. It's a great time to buy. Not financial advice, not a financial advisor. I do suspect that from a high to a low here, we will move all the way up. All the way up, you guys, to about 3 to 4.5 cents, somewhere in this area here. Hit that like button, subscribe. Thank you all for being here. I suspect we'll be there by the end of Q1, if not sometime in Q2. Take care. Bye-bye. See you later.